Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to download Power Director 2020, the latest version. So there's a link in the description which you can paste to the website area, and yeah, then go ahead and click the download button right there. Just after you do that, click download. Don't worry, there's no virus in this. Then you go to your downloads. And let it download. Then after it's downloaded, you need to click to install it. So then you click install. I won't do it because I've already done it and I have existing on my phone. So here's how when you open it. Let's select any dimension you want, and then I'll click this one to show you there's no watermark. It's a full version of it. And you can also get those paid sound clips for free because it's a full version. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.